What rate compounded semi-annually is equivalent to 8.5% compounded quarterly? Here we should be able to apply our equivalent interest rate, or calculate I2. We're just going to need to figure out what F1 and F2 mean inside of this particular question. I2 is the rate that we're hoping to get. This is the semi-annual compounded rate. I1 is the rate that's given to us, in our case 8.5% compounded quarterly. This means that F1, the frequency of the rate that's given to us, is 4, and F2, the frequency of the rate that we're hoping to get to, is 2, or semi-annual compounds. Let's go ahead and start putting this into our calculator. We will take an open bracket, 1 plus 0.085 over 4. Let's close that bracket and raise all of this to the power of 4 divided by 2. Raise this to the power of 2. Hitting the equals button and then subtracting the 1 that we need to should get us to a decimal approximation for I2. So once we get this decimal approximation, we will have to remember that I is equal to R divided by F. And in our case, we're actually working with frequency number 2. So here F2 is semi-annual, or F2 is equal to 2. That means if we want to get the nominal rate R, we need to multiply this decimal number by 2. So let's go ahead, let's take that decimal number, let's multiply by frequency 2. And we get that R is about 0.0859. So that means a rate of 8.59% compounded semi-annually should be roughly equivalent to a rate of 8.5% compounded quarterly.